Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. This is Trading View platform, Euro USD pair, 15-minute chart, Forex market. So our previous topics was ranging market. Today I will explain about trendy market. So what do we mean by trend? Suppose there is a level. From this level, market going up. After some times, all these here to here, all these are the buyers. So when we see buyers are very strong and buyers strongly going to the upward direction, there are some technical analysis here. Why market will start from here and after that market goes up. So when we see this is a extreme buyers area, this is the buyers zone. From this buyers zone, buyers will start from here. So when buyers will start from here, from a strong area, so that time we have to think that buyers are powerful. So when buyers are powerful, what happen? Sellers will again enter in the market, but it not fall more down. It create very few candlestick here to here. After that, buyers again enter in the market and turn the market to the upward direction again. So when we see this type of situation happening in the market, that means it's an uptrend. So how we know already uptrend start? So again market start falling down, but it little came below, not more below, little came below. After that again buyers entered in the market. So I am explaining all the very basic concept for the beginners, and slowly I will explain all the deeper knowledge. So when buyers enter from here, it going up. After pullback again goes up. After pullback again market going up. Now we have some points here. Suppose previously market came above from here. After that, from this level market going up, or after a long range, finally market break that range and market going up. It may different types of situation below here. So I will explain very deeply, slowly, but first try to understand all the very basic concept. For the beginners, it will very helpful. So we have so many strategies, so many things. Just it's not possible to explain very deeply here, because beginners will not understand each and every point. That's why I am explaining from the very basic concept, and I will slowly explain all the very deep knowledge of Forex. It will very helpful for beginners as well as who are already trading in the market. It also very helpful for them also. Okay, so now if market start from here and going up, so okay, think that it was previously downtrend market. When market came here, market going up, so it already created some points here. This is below point, this one, another point, this one. This is the lowest point. So this is the low, this is higher low. So in this area here to here, this is high, this is higher high. So when market create low, higher low, high, higher high, again higher low, higher high situation, that time it's a, we have to think that yes, it's a uptrend market. Why it's a uptrend market? Because this is the symptoms, market creating low, higher low, low, higher low, high, higher high. That means higher low, higher high situation. So now we can call it's a clear uptrend market. So when market create this situation and buyers are in a power, most of the candlesticks are the bullish candlestick, green color candle, and few candlesticks are the bearish candle, red color candle. That time we have to think that yes, buyers are in a power now. That means it's an uptrend market now. So this is the symptoms we can recognize very easily. Yes, it's an uptrend market and it's a trendy market. So now in an uptrend market, in a trendy market, we have to think that buyers are in a power. That means buyers are powerful than the sellers. That's why buyers are turning the market to the upward direction. If buyers powerful, again sellers powerful, that time market again came back to the same previous level, and that time market will give us a ranging type situation. That means I am drawing here this thing, that like this type of range, up down up down up down. So I already explained about this point in our previous session. So this is the sideway market, or this is the ranging market. That means it's not red, it will green. Okay, I am drawing here, I am drawing it by green color. Okay, this one, after this pullback again market goes up. Okay, this one. So this is the sideway market. That means buyers and sellers are equally powerful. That's why it's a sideway type market. So it's a range. In between this area, market is moving. So when we come to know, yes, it's a trendy market, trend already start, uptrend already start. So when market start from a buyer's entry point area and market very strong by the buyer side, or most of the candlesticks are the bullish candle and few candlestick bearish candlestick, again market going up. That means it created, this is the low, higher low, high, higher high. Then we can easily recognize, yes, it's a uptrend market now. So we can go with the buyers now, because buyers are in a power. Okay, so this is not our today's topics, that who are in a power and which direction we have to go. Just try to recognize it's the uptrend market condition, it's the uptrend situation. I am again telling that I am explaining from the very basic point for the very beginners, and slowly I will explain all the deep knowledge. So this is the uptrend market condition. So we can easily recognize by this situation, low, higher low, high, higher high. This is uptrend market situation. Okay, so this is the very basic concept. If anybody want to learn very deeply Forex, all the strategy, technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and so many strategies, so many things, so many deep knowledge of Forex, I am providing Forex course. Contact me by video description. I always upload this type of videos in my channel, so subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. So this is all about today's topics. Thanks for watching my videos.